After reading through the learning materials, I found that there are several different forces of change that affect job and organizational behavior. Companies are transforming into a more sustainable office spaces and adapting more ideals from the green movement. They are also incorporating emerging technologies that are changing the skills needed for everyday work tasks. While in some way, shape, or form, sustainable economy, emerging technologies, entrepreneurship, and global economic integration have impacted the company I work for, the advancement of nonlinear career pathways is essential and needed in my line of work. I currently work at Cincinnati Children's as a behavioral health specialist on an adolescent inpatient unit, and I have been in this role for about 2 years now. Due to the nature of the work and global circumstances, retention and morale is super low, and turnover and burnout is very high. So, one factor I found that explains this is the lack of job growth in the field. The only upward growth is becoming a BHS 2 or 3, which is essentially the same exact job, but with a slightly larger shift differential. I cannot become a manager, which is the position I report to and whom is directly above me because my background is in psychology and not nursing. Even 2 years in, I'm still not quite aware of what jobs or positions I'm qualified for or what is even available to me within the company. I do feel like creating career maps or pathways of non-linear mobility would be extremely beneficial for those in the field, among multiple different reasons, the main being to give employees a sense of direction and goals to reach so that they have career progress and things to look forward to. For large-scale changes, I hope to see some type of career pathway research and implementation being done in the company, not only for my position, but for other entry-level positions that have no clear upward mobility and need guidance to see their career progress so they can reach their end goals.